Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that Apple has quietly been building one of its most mysterious devices in secret, the Apple Ring. For years, this tiny wearable has existed somewhere between fantasy and reality. Every few months, new leaks appear, fresh patents surface online, and industry insiders reignite speculation that Apple could be preparing its next major product category. Yet despite all the excitement, the Apple Ring remains one of the biggest unanswered questions in technology. Is Apple secretly developing a smart ring that could change health tracking forever? Or has the company already abandoned the project behind closed doors? The answer may be far more surprising than most people think, because recent reports reveal a story filled with hidden experiments, business strategy, and technology that may not be ready for the real world just yet. Apple has always been known for entering markets late and then redefining them entirely. The company was not the first to make smartphones, wireless earbuds, or smartwatches, yet products like the iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch eventually dominated their categories. This history is exactly why millions of Apple fans continue waiting for an Apple Ring. The smart ring market itself is growing rapidly, with companies such as Oura, Samsung, Ultrahuman, and Ringcon proving that consumers are interested in smaller wearable devices that track health without requiring a smartwatch on the wrist. As wearable technology evolves, many analysts believe smart rings could become one of the fastest-growing segments in consumer electronics over the next decade. Naturally, this raises an important question. If smaller companies can build successful smart rings, why has Apple stayed silent? One of the biggest reasons the Apple Ring rumor refuses to disappear is Apple's long history of patent filings. Over the years, numerous Apple patents have described finger-worn devices capable of detecting gestures, measuring biometric data, and controlling nearby electronics. Some patents reveal technology that would allow users to interact with computers, televisions, and augmented reality systems using simple hand movements. Imagine rotating your finger to adjust volume, pinching the air to select an app, or controlling a future version of Apple Vision Pro without touching anything at all. These patents have fueled speculation that Apple sees smart rings not merely as health devices, but as entirely new methods of interacting with digital environments. However, patents do not guarantee products. Apple files hundreds of patents every year, many of which never become real devices sold to consumers. The biggest wave of Apple Ring speculation arrived after Samsung officially launched the Galaxy Ring. Suddenly, millions of iPhone users began asking why Apple had not entered the market. Some fans believed Samsung's move would force Apple to respond quickly, yet Apple has rarely followed competitors. Instead, the company prefers waiting until it can deliver a product that feels significantly better than existing alternatives. This strategy worked for the iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods, all of which arrived after competitors had already entered their respective markets. Because of this history, many analysts believe Apple may simply be waiting for technology to mature before launching its own smart ring. Others argue that Apple may never release one at all. Reports from respected industry sources have only added to the confusion. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, one of the most reliable Apple insiders in the world, previously reported that Apple was not actively developing a smart ring and had no immediate plans to launch one. Such statements carry enormous weight because Gurman has accurately predicted many Apple products years before their official announcement. Yet even these reports leave room for interpretation. Apple constantly researches experimental technologies internally, often creating prototypes that never reach the market. A paused project is not necessarily a canceled project. Inside Apple's laboratories, engineers may continue exploring wearable concepts for years without ever committing to mass production. That possibility keeps hope alive among Apple enthusiasts. The greatest challenge facing an Apple Ring may not be competition but physics itself. Unlike a smartwatch, a ring offers extremely limited internal space. Engineers would need to fit advanced sensors, wireless communication chips, charging systems, processors, and batteries into a tiny piece of jewelry worn on a finger all day. Battery life becomes especially difficult because users expect wearable devices to last several days between charges. Existing smart rings have already struggled with balancing comfort, accuracy, and battery performance. Apple is famous for refusing to release products that fail to meet its high standards, meaning even minor compromises could delay or cancel a device entirely. Building a ring that meets Apple's expectations may simply be harder than most people realize. Another major obstacle is the Apple Watch itself. The Apple Watch has become one of the company's most successful products, generating billions in revenue while offering heart monitoring, fitness tracking, sleep analysis, emergency safety features, and deep integration with the Apple ecosystem. Introducing an Apple Ring creates an uncomfortable business problem. If the Ring performs many of the same tasks as the watch, customers may choose the cheaper device instead. Companies rarely release products that directly compete against their own best-selling hardware. This business reality may explain why Apple appears hesitant to enter the smart ring market despite years of rumors and patents. However, some experts believe Apple may eventually solve this problem by positioning the Ring as a companion rather than a replacement. Imagine wearing an Apple Watch during the day while the Apple Ring handles overnight sleep tracking. The Ring could quietly monitor health data 24 hours a day while the watch manages notifications, apps, and communication. Together, these devices could create an even stronger ecosystem. Such a strategy aligns perfectly with Apple's long-standing approach of encouraging customers to own multiple connected devices that work seamlessly together. In this scenario, the Apple Ring would not replace the Apple Watch but enhance it. The rise of Apple Intelligence and spatial computing has also renewed speculation surrounding the device. As Apple pushes deeper into artificial intelligence and mixed reality through products like Vision Pro, new forms of user interaction become increasingly important. A smart ring equipped with motion sensors, ultra-wideband technology, and precision tracking could serve as an advanced controller for future AR and VR experiences. Users might manipulate virtual objects, navigate digital environments, or interact with AI assistants using natural hand movements. If this vision becomes reality, the Apple Ring may ultimately be remembered not as a health gadget, but as a key piece of Apple's future computing platform. For now, though hard evidence remains limited, there are no major supply chain leaks indicating mass production. No manufacturing reports suggest an imminent launch. No reliable sources have provided a release date or confirmed specifications. In the world of Apple rumors, silence often speaks louder than excitement. Until factories begin producing components and supply chains activate, the Apple Ring remains a fascinating mystery rather than an upcoming product. Yet Apple has surprised the world many times before, and technology evolves rapidly. A product that seems impossible today may become inevitable tomorrow. At this moment, the smartest conclusion may be simple. The Apple Ring is neither fully alive nor completely dead. Somewhere inside Apple's research divisions, prototypes may still exist, engineers may still experiment, and future ideas may still evolve. Whether those ideas eventually become a real product is a question only Apple can answer. Until then, the Apple Ring remains one of the most intriguing leaks in modern technology. A device that millions want, competitors are already building, and Apple continues to keep hidden behind its famously secretive walls. If the company ever decides to enter the smart ring market, it could transform wearable technology overnight. But until that day arrives, the mystery of the Apple Ring continues.